The GSH air hammers are free-form forging machines. They have different performance capacities. The ram weights of the different hammers are 35, 40 and 50 kilograms. If required, the air hammers can be fitted with guards to protect staff working in their vicinity. Special construction measures need to be taken to ensure vibration-free mounting of the GSH 51 and 41 air hammers. Alternatively, a shock-absorbing overfloor basement can be supplied. This has to be filled with concrete in its final location. The hammer is then mounted on the overfloor basement.